Hello, testers out there. Today is a very special day for us. It's Testers Day. Let's celebrate. Yoo-hoo! Happy Testers Day to all of you out there. I recorded this small video on request of Nishan GoHealth, and he asked me to, give a few notes on no-code, low-code task automation platforms. So my 5 cents on this is, if you have a test automation platform, make sure it's no-code, low-code, because as a developer, you create the test cases. Hopefully you do, dear developers out there, hopefully you test. And if you have a test platform that provides no-code, low-code, you create your test cases, run the test cases until they succeed on your feature, on your change, and then hand over the test to the business department in order to schedule and rerun and execute them whenever they want. And if the test case breaks, if it is no-code, low-code, they can easily fix them or report the bug, of course, and then you might fix it. So no-code, low-code has the benefit of having complex code situations under the hood, and delivers the option to the business department to change, reorganize, rearrange, change and fix, enhance test cases. So no-code platform, testing platforms, I think are a big piece, an important piece in the tool set of testers. Yeah. And Nishan also asked me, Ralf, give an advice to first-time testers. So here's my advice for you out there, first-time testers. Hello, welcome to the community. My advice is consisting of just 2 words. Here they come. Are you ready for the 2 words? My advice: ask questions. Ask questions. Then you understand what is the piece of software under test. And how do you ask questions? Well, for example, go to your user help desk and ask them for all the issues they had with your software in the last year. You will be overwhelmed by the answer. You will be overwhelmed by the problems that users had using your software. And reporting on that is part of the testing process. Yeah, so test automation using no-code, low-code platforms is a piece in the puzzle, but the other big piece is, and my recommendation to you is, ask questions. Please ask. So that's for today. Thanks for listening, and happy Testers Day. High five on finding bugs. See you. Bye bye.